Hi everyone, it's Trail and you are watching my masterclass for Soundteams. I'm producing bass music, especially drum and bass, but also some other genders in the spectrum as dubstep and UK garage. Today we're going to talk about drums, and I will show you the way I managed to produce acoustic sounding drums for bass music uses by blending textures of synthetic synths and samples and other stuff with acoustic drums layers. Then in the second part of this video, I will show you a breakdown of my track Sparkles, which has been released last December on 185 Music, which is the label I'm mainly releasing on, and before that I was also releasing on Flex Out and some other labels. In this tutorial we're going to use Ableton Live 12 as well as a few different plugins such as the Fab Filter, Sound Toys, as well as Arturia plugins. So yeah, a bunch of different things that I will show you in a moment. So yeah, let's dive in.